how to buy more crypto and pay less fees on Coinbase. If you want to buy more crypto on Coinbase while keeping fees low, here's how to do it. First, avoid buying small amounts multiple times. Combine your purchases into larger transactions, since Coinbase charges a flat fee plus a percentage. Second, use Coinbase Advanced Trade instead of the simple buy option. On desktop or in the app, go to Advanced Trade, where fees are much lower compared to the standard buy screen. Third, deposit money into your Coinbase account via bank transfer instead of debit or credit card. Cards have higher fees, while bank transfers are cheaper. Fourth, if you can, use a limit order on Advanced Trade. You can set the price you want and avoid market order slippage. Finally, plan your purchases. Buy during times of lower network congestion, especially for Ethereum-based tokens, to reduce blockchain gas fees. By following these steps, you can stack more crypto while paying a lot less in fees. If you want, I can also make you a special version showing exact fee comparisons so viewers see how much they save.